Welcome back to the channel. Microsoft has made it harder than ever to install Windows 11 without signing in. But guess what? There is still one last official way to skip the Microsoft account, and it's actually work on the latest Windows 11 25H2 build. If you're tired the old OOBE bypass NRO command, you have probably noticed it's gone. Microsoft quietly removed it from the newest build, but a new hidden command still lets you create a local account without connecting to the internet or using any Microsoft login. In this video, I'll show you the exact command and the step-by-step method that works in 25H2, fully tested, safe and completely offline. No third-party tool, no registry hack, just what's the built right into Windows. So stay with me till the end. I will even show you what to do if this trick stops working in future build. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share it before Microsoft patches it out. So this is the official Microsoft websites. I'm going to download the ISO file from here. Click it and your download will start in few minutes depending upon the internet speed. So you need to download the exact the language which you have it installed. English United States. If it's English United Kingdom, you install it in English United Kingdom. Click the 64-bit download. Click it, and the file will get stored in the download folder. It will take some time depending upon your internet speed. The file has been started download. So I'll skip this step. I've already downloaded the ISO file. I'll install it. Check the steps properly. Don't skip it anything. If you have the product key, you can type the product key and just click next. This will take some time. I'll install it in the home edition, Windows 11 home. Click next, accept. Please wait, it will take some time. If you want to keep the file, you can keep it, or else just do a clean installation. It will take some time. Here you go. It's almost 41% has been completed. Once it get updated, it will give you the screen here, this Windows 11 screen. Now here is the trick. You click United States, click yes, the country of region. If you are located in United Kingdom, you need to select United Kingdom. If you are located in India, you select India. Click yes. Turn off your internet. Once you get this screen, you need to turn off your internet and then you need to select yes. Else next. Here you can see it's asking for the Microsoft sign in. So it won't give you any other option unless and until you type the user ID and password. So this is mandatory, they have patched it. Now I'll show you here exactly what you need to do in order to skip the process. So you need to press Shift plus F10, then only you will get the command prompt screen from here. Because Microsoft in the recent update of Windows 11 25H2, it has patched this local account creation, but you can bypass it by pressing the command prompt and type the syntax over there. You can see it's still asking for the ID and passwords. You need to sign in or create an account. There is no other option available over here. You might have noticed like it's you can create an account, but it's difficult for you to use it because most of the time we don't remember the email ID and password. Right? Either you can create it or you can do the local setup, which I'm going to show you in the next step. So we will press it here, Shift plus F10. press Shift plus F10 and it will prompt you for the command prompt screen. Right? Click it. Shift plus F10. Here you can see it has given me the option to enter into the command prompt. Over here we will type the command. Okay, just type it here. Syntax I've given you in the description. You can just simply copy and paste it. Okay, start ms-cxh local only and that hit enter. So make sure you copy exactly the same command as given in the description. You can see here what I'm typing it ms-cxh local only. Here I have got the local account creation screen in front of me. So here what you need to do, you need to give it a name like the local name what you want to use. I'll put it as admin and make it secure. Is asking for the passwords. You just simply type a password of your choice and there is an option for the security questions. These three security question is default for in all Windows 11. So you need to add this security question in order to, if you sometime forget your admin login ID and password, you can regenerate it with the help of this security question. So make sure you remember it. This is mandatory. Click next. Click next. Once you press it, it will update the system and it will get updated. Now you can see my on screen on board of Windows 11. It's showing up and it's getting the thing ready. It will take some few minutes. Okay, so don't worry and don't turn off your PC. So once all things are ready, you can simply log in with the local account and you will get the Windows 11 login screen. Give it a few minutes, it will take some time. It's just setting up all the necessary files at the background and it will give you the login screen. So once it's get done, it will give you immediately it will give you the login screen. So stay tuned. Click next. These are the options. You can turn it on and off depending upon your requirements. So I'll put it off. Click accept. There you go. We have successfully installed Windows 11 local account without having Microsoft account. We have bypassed it. So you can see here the admin login is showing local account. Right? This is done. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.